Hello guys and welcome back to Zaki Educational channel. So now it's time to reveal the name of the winner for the quiz contest which was conducted on 2nd November 2020. So this quiz contest is conducted every week on Monday to test your knowledge about environmental science and prepare ourselves for the environmental science entrance examination. So those who are new to this channel, you can subscribe to participate in the next quiz, and these are the rules for the participation of this quiz. So you should read all this quiz contest rule by pausing the video. So let's discuss the questions first which came in the quiz contest. The first question was, Pycnocline layer in the water body has the dash density gradient. So here the correct option will be option number B. It has the highest density gradient in the water body, that's the Pycnocline layer. Moving on to the second question. The second question was the wavelength for thermal infrared region of the electromagnetic wave ranges from what to what. So here the correct option will be option number A. Yes, the thermal infrared region ranges from 8 to 15 microns, or that is 8 to 15 micrometers. Moving on to our third question. The third question was, what was India's first Ecolabel and when it was launched by the government of India? So out of the four options, the correct option will be option number D. Yes, EcoMark was the first Ecolabel in India which was launched in the year 1991 by government of India. The fourth question was, when was the first post-independence national forest policy issued in India? So here it was asking after the independence. So here the correct option will be option number B. Yes, 1952 was the first national forest policy after the independence, and after that it was in 1988 which was the second after independence. So here you should not get confused. The first will be 1952, next will be 1988 after the independence. The fifth question was, the famous environmental reformer BABA AMTE is related to which of the following movements? So here the correct option will be option number B. He is related to the Narmada Bachao Andolan and he is not related to Tehri Dam movement nor Epico movement. Let's move on to the sixth question. The sixth question was, what is the correct full form of GRIHA which is used for eco-friendly buildings? So here the correct option will be option number C. GRIHA full form is Green Rating for the Integrated Habitat Assessment. So you should note it down. The stars also you should know, that is very important for the examination purpose. Number 7 question was, the efficiency of a photovoltaic cell that is used in the solar panel, solar cell, that is PV cell, is what? So here the correct option will be option number A. The efficiency means the how much electricity the solar cell can produce for a given amount of solar irradiance. Time for the 8th question. The 8th question was, which was the first Asian country to establish a solar pond? So here the correct option will be option number B. India was the first Asian country to have established a solar pond in Bhuj in the Gujarat. The project was sanctioned under the National Solar Pond Program by the Ministry of Non-Conventional Energy Sources in 1987 and which was completed in 1993. So you should note it down, India, Gujarat. Next question was, Wetlands release which of the following gases? So among the three gases, the correct option will be two gases which are released by the wetlands are methane and nitrous oxide. So it was very simple question. The correct option will be option number D. Both A and C are released by the wetlands. Moving on to the final question. The final question was a bit tricky because the question was, pneumatophores are the characteristic features of which kind of mangrove species? So here the correct option will be option number A. Yes, because characteristic means typical features of black mangroves that are Avicennia species are the pneumatophores. So you should not get confused because sometimes in white mangroves also pneumatophores are seen, but if it is asking characteristic feature, you should go for black mangroves that are Avicennia. Now it's time to reveal the results for the quiz contest, and the winner is Nisar Ahmed. So congratulations to Nisar Ahmed. He has scored 9 out of 10 questions correctly. Same with the other participants, those who have participated and have got the good marks. They are Deepsika Gupta, Anwar Bande, Diksha Pandey, Rajappan Suganthi, Nuzrat Khan, Sarita Bist, Biswa, Falguni Mahanti, Rayaz Mir, Priyanka Soren and Walid Ahmed. So congratulations to all of you. Keep up the good work and try to compete with your own self. So see you guys in our next video. Till then, take care, keep smiling and believe in yourself.